Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum once again. So you have to listen to me once again. Chief Minister Sindh, Sayyid Murad Ali Shah. Assalamu alaikum, sir. It is a privilege and honor to welcome you, a leader who has consistently demonstrated vision, commitment, and support for the cause of progress and excellence in our province. We are deeply grateful to you for sir, for gracing this Management Leadership Convention with your presence today. I would especially like to take this opportunity to extend our heartfelt gratitude for the generous grant that the Government of Sindh has extended to the Management Association of Pakistan. This support, sir, is a testament to your government's belief in power of professional development and corporate excellence as drivers of economic and social progress. It strengthens our resolve to further our mission of nurturing capable, ethical, and visionary corporate leadership in Sindh and in Pakistan. Tomorrow, as part of this shared vision, the Management Association is pleased to be conducting a special training session for senior officers of the Government of Sindh, led by Melody Hossaini. This session will train something like 40 senior government officers, and it is an initiative that aims to enhance leadership capacity within the public sector, fostering innovation, strategic thinking, and a service-oriented mindset among senior officials. We are excited about this collaboration and confident that it will set new benchmarks for excellence in governance in our province. Ladies and gentlemen, Sindh today stands at an important moment in its development journey. Under the leadership of Chief Minister Sindh, Sayyid Murad Ali Shah, we have witnessed bold, people-centric initiatives that are transforming lives in our province. The Sindh People's Housing Initiative of Flood Affectees is one such example. It is a massive, inclusive initiative to provide safe and dignified housing for families devastated by the 2022 floods. This project, which will, when finished, will provide 2.1 million homes to those people who were affected by the floods in 2022. It reflects compassion, scale, and strategic execution, hallmarks of good governance anywhere. Similarly, Sindh has made remarkable strides in the health sector, from the expansion of quality healthcare facilities across the province to pioneering partnerships that are bringing modern medical services to marginalized communities in our province. These success stories reflect a government that is not only responding to challenges, but proactively building a better future for its people. Sir, your support for professional organizations like the Management Association of Pakistan is a testament to your leadership. Together, the public and private sectors can build a culture of excellence where professional competence meets public service to create a sustainable impact. On behalf of the Management Association of Pakistan, I thank you once again for your presence and continued support. We look forward to deepening this partnership with the Sindh government to help realize full potential of Sindh as a hub of talent, innovation, and progress. Thank you, sir. May I request Sayyid Murad Ali Shah, Chief Minister Sindh, to come and inaugurate this conference formally.